That's just 2 containers of my smoked chicken, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 green bell pepper diced, some diced green onion, just diced up nice and small. We've got about a cup here of sharp cheddar, and we're just coming in back here with some of our Fiesta blend cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you'd like in this. I just happen to have Fiesta blend and sharp cheddar in my fridge. Now I'm coming in with my ranch seasoning, and we're gonna put a generous amount of this because we do have a lot of ingredients here. So I'm putting about 2 packets of ranch seasoning worth. Now I've got some bacon. We just cooked this up freshly. Now this we did just microwave, but of course you can cook yours on the frying pan, in the oven. You can buy the pre-cooked bacon, but your bacon should be cooked when you put it in here. And I just like to dice mine up just like this into smaller pieces. This is gonna look so good and be absolutely delicious when we're finished with this. All of my favorite flavors that go together perfectly: bacon, cheese. This combines with that cornbread, the chicken, and the ranch to make a delicious, delicious treat I think y'all are really, really going to enjoy. Oops, I lost the finger of my glove. Alrighty, y'all. I've got 6 eggs here. I am just gonna use this tool, this handy dandy tool that I love so, 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 so much, to just beat these up a bit. Perfect. Oh, this is so satisfying. Now we're just gonna pour this on top of everything in here. Perfect. And now you notice I have gloves on. I'm gonna start tossing this all together to combine. We've got that cornbread all crumbed up, mixed with our pulled chicken, which is smoked. Oh gosh, it smells heavenly. We've got some bell pepper, our green onion, ranch seasoning, bacon. Lovely, yummy, yummy flavor combination here, which I think y'all are really, really going to enjoy. And then of course we just put this in with some eggs, so because we're gonna be reforming this, transforming it, and making a delicious, delicious, this is one of my favorites. It could be an appetizer. You could make this for a barbecue, for a party. You just set it out and people go absolutely nuts for these. And you could always use, you know, a different flavoring combination. Cornbread goes so well with everything. It's just one of my absolute favorites. And I think y'all are really gonna love this too. Alrighty, we are gonna grab a nice little handful here. And I am just going to kind of smush this into a ball. And we're gonna put this right over here into our greased muffin tin. I'm just gonna keep doing this. Now you could always make these in your jumbo muffin tin, and they'd almost be like a little individual, sort of a pot pie. It doesn't have a filling per se, but maybe like a little individual souffle kind of situation. But today we are doing these in our muffin tin. You could do them in a miniature muffin tin. Like I said, the possibilities with this are endless. I might even put this in a 13x9 and just eat it as a casserole. I think that would be delicious. There we go. Alrighty, I am popping these in my oven at 350 for just about 15 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. Our corn muffins were in the oven for about 25 minutes, 25 minutes, excuse me. I'm getting confused. I'm just gonna use my spatula here to pop these out. We've got our really fun, patriotic holidays that are coming up this summer. We absolutely love 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day. You can't have your delicious pulled chicken, ranch bacon deliciousness without a little bit of barbecue sauce on top. I don't know what is more American than that. Ooh, I cannot wait to have a bite of this, y'all. Mmm, 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 mmm. It's hot, but good. took a real big bite, y'all. Mmm. 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 Y'all, this is so easy, so good. You gotta try it.